for it.
Alright, the next Salomon pillar we want to talk about is the XT. That's our cross trail line. This particular line of shoes has been in the line for about the last 5 to 6 years. Here's a picture is the Wings 2. New upgraded version, Wings 3. The main differences between these shoes, as you can see, are a much more aggressive tread. So we're going with our full chevron, full contra grip tread. Now we've taken a little bit of the depth out of the back here, so rock doesn't quite get caught in here quite as easily. The profile is definitely a little bit lower as well, and we've dropped a lot of weight in the chassis. So we've removed this back pillar. So here's the Wings 2, here's the Wings 3. We've removed that pillar, so it's much more runnable. If there's some heel striking going on, it's not nearly as rigid. So that's very important. Still a full rock guard. So for those runners that are slightly heavier, that need a little bit more protection, a little more protection from the rocks, more stability, the Wings, the XT Wings line is absolutely the way to go. Men's, and here's the women's. And unlike last year, we are not making it in a Gore-Tex model, so no Gore-Tex for this coming fall.